Hi, I know your time is valuable, so I want to provide you with the 5 pieces that the $30 marketing kit can add to your marketing strategy right out of the gate, and then if you want to watch the rest of the video, you can. My name is Brian. I'm the owner and operator of Pierce Pixels Photography, and I've been shooting probably thousands of homes in the Portland metro area now for years. I love doing my job because I think we're a part of the same team to provide your listing and make it as bright and beautiful and attractive as we possibly can, and giving you additional tools to market your listing, and that's what this marketing kit is all about. So let's dig into it. Here are the 5 value pieces for the marketing kit. Number 1, it's an intuitive web page with all of your downloads available on one simple site. I send you an email and there it is. A link to your branded and unbranded for the MLS, a link to the floor plan, a link to download the photos, a link for the property owner preview so they can see the photos as well, a link to the floor plan. It's all there, very intuitive, very easy to use. Secondly, the web page slideshow. It's a modern, beautiful web page that is a scrolling slideshow of all the photos that you want to highlight for this listing. As a potential buyer views it, as they scroll down, they'll see how many bedrooms, how many baths, the local schools that are available, the photo gallery that is available there, the floor plan will be available there, the 3D is available there. All the information they could want to realistically take a look at your listing will be provided on that web page slideshow. Third, modern flyers. Yeah, it's not 2010 anymore. It's 2023. You need to update your flyers. And the company that we use is outstanding with providing very easy to use, modern looking flyers. It's literally drag and drop. You don't like the photos that are on the flyer initially? You can drag and drop the other photos of this listing onto your flyer, change the text, change the verbiage, add the price, whatever you want. Print it off, and it's a JPEG or a PDF, send it to your printer. It's super easy, super convenient, and it looks great. Fourth, social media tiles. This is a big one. So many realtors are wanting to get on TikTok, wanting to get on Instagram, but it seems too difficult, too convoluted, too complex. Not anymore. The tools that the marketing kit provides allows you to get these social media tiles extremely easily. It's just like the flyers. TikTok, Instagram, drag and drop, it's all right there. Fifth, there's a site teaser video slideshow. You can click on the hero shots that you want and create an actual slideshow of 4, 5, 6 photos, and then download them and upload them back up into Instagram. This is another great way to not just show one static photo, but to show a little bit of that slideshow so that prospective buyers get a feel for the home and then want more. That's it. Those are the 5 pieces that the marketing kit, the $30 marketing kit, can add to your marketing strategy. Now, let's get into a little bit more detail. So let's get into a little detail about the 5 value pieces of the marketing kit. And the first is intuitive tools. We've shot your listing and you've received an email from Pierce Pixels, from me, Brian, and it looks just like this. Great news, your photography is complete and you've got your address, your front photo. It is intuitive and it's very simple. Here are your website links. Here's the branded website link, the unbranded website link, and the 3D or Matterport tour if you've had one done. Here is the link to your marketing kit. Simple and sweet. Here is the link to download your photos. Again, simple. This is the property owner preview link. You would copy this, paste it, and email it to your property owners, and they will see something that looks just like this. All the photos available for them to see. They can say, oh, you know, of course, all the photography is bright and beautiful and spectacular, but we love number 16. Let's not use number 17. And you can show them all of the photos that are available. Again, super easy, super nice to use. Here are the links to share on your social media, and to access your account, you would simply click right down here. Now, in order to access your account, I can send you a password reset. You would, if you don't need one, but you might not. Click on this and you will come to a link that looks just like this. You're going to be up here, your address is going to be right here, and the same photos are going to be available here, but it looks a little bit differently under the Site Media tab. Here in the Site Media tab, you can choose a couple different options. You can say, with the star, I want this photo to be the front photo, to be the first photo that people see. And I don't want them to see this one. By clicking the eye, that leaves the photo available, but you don't want them to see it. So for instance, if your property owners are a little particular and they do not want to see the back of the house from the drone, and you don't want to confuse them, you don't want to create any questions, so simply by doing this and going to the property owner preview page, they'll never see this photo. Additionally, we're going to talk about this a little bit later, you would do this same process when creating a teaser video, the 5th of the value pieces, but we'll get to that a little bit later on. The highlight here is that these are intuitive tools. From this email, you will click on the Total Marketing Kit, and you're going to come to the marketing kit that looks just like this. Again, your address, your photo, and many of the same links that were on the email, the branded, the unbranded link, the download the photos page, your 3D, the flyers, we're going to get into that in just a little bit, social media, and you just keep clicking down, and these are all the possible options to help market your listing. Right down here are the teaser videos that we talked about just a second ago. So that's number one, the intuitive tools that are available to you. Secondly, the second value piece of the marketing kit is the web page slideshow. By clicking on this link, you are brought to the web page slideshow. And it is basically a photo gallery that scrolls with music. You'll hear the music once you have a live marketing kit. And it just scrolls through the bright and beautiful photography that Pierce Pixels has provided for you. And clients or potential buyers throughout the world can view your listing and all that's available there. You fill out the information on the price, the MLS number, how many beds and bath. Of course, if you don't fill any of this information out, these icons won't appear. Here's your description of the property and all the other options that we've had done. Here's a beautiful gallery of the photos that are available. Here would be the floor plan. This is a highlighted Matterport floor plan that not a lot of clients ask for. Here's the Matterport dollhouse that we are providing now at Pierce Pixels, and your information there. But the webpage slideshow is outstanding. I have tweaked this though to where these photos scroll a little bit faster than what you're currently seeing. Here there are quick links, details, video, gallery, floor plan, 3D tour, contact information, and basically these just drop you down to what I just scrolled. So the website, again, for $30, just this website alone with the music and everything else is super cool and super easy to use. The third value piece of the marketing kit are the modern flyers. So flyers are flyers. They're 8.5 by 11 pieces of paper. These are modern. I mean, there's only so much you can do. But here on the marketing kit link that you're given, scrolling down, flyers, printable materials, and attachments. The nice thing about these is you may already have a template set up with a company that you use to print with, but you might not. But if you don't, or if you're looking for something new and fresh, or easy and fast and convenient, maybe you want to print it a little different way, this is the way to go. Now, these flyers some of them are honestly a little cumbersome for me. For instance, this guy here, there's simply too much information on this. Just everything is, here. That's not my style, but I'm not a listing agent. You are. That's your job to decide what you like to display and what you prefer not to. Let's just click this guy. Beautiful little ADU back here, your name, your phone number, it's all editable. Clicking inside here, double clicking in here, you can change your phone number, and it's just that simple. We've got a couple of photos here of the kitchen. Well, I don't necessarily want to move that guy. I want to change him out. Go over here, let's find the primary bedroom. Where is that at? Here it is, a beautiful shot. Simply drag and drop, done. Easy, so convenient. From this point, you would save and close. This is a demo page. I'm not going to save and close it. You would save and close. And then right here, you would simply do print. Where was that? Which one was it? Here he is. Print. Now here are your options. You can print it right from your printer at your workstation or at your office. You can download it as a JPEG, you can upload it somewhere, a PNG, a PDF, send it to your printer, and done, easy peasy, super nice. The modern flyers are a super way to change up your marketing and get you something fast and convenient that really does look sharp. The fourth value piece of the marketing kit are the social media tiles, and they are simply right down here. The company that I use, HD Photo Hub, is based here in the Pacific Northwest, and they are on top of things. It wasn't, I don't know, 2 or 3 months ago, they did not have anything here for TikTok. And boom, right now I click on it today to get ready to do this video, and there are 9 templates available for TikTok. Obviously, they're looking out for your needs. People are wanting, agents all around the nation are wanting to post on TikTok, and they want it to look super cool. These are really modern, super nice. Now there are other templates down here, more traditional templates that you can use. And a couple down here are Get Creative. Here's one for Facebook. Here's one for Pinterest. But you don't have to use these with the titles that they provide. Here's a couple that are just listed. This won't last long. Well, I like this format. I want the 2 photos down here. I want my face here. I love this front photo. But I want this to be coming soon. It's just this simple. And boom, once I learn how to spell coming, there it is. If you've received any emails from me whatsoever, I've probably misspelled 4 or 5 things. It's just a part of a bad education. But I do have a college degree, so that says very little. Anyway, same basic principle. You want to change out the photos, click on that primary bedroom, drag and drop, boom, there it is, beautiful. Easy. Again, you can crop it, you can fit it, you can do so many things here. I don't really want to get into all of the details, but you're going to have to play around with this and change this and then save and close, and then you would simply download it. And it'll download, you can download it to your PC. If you're doing this work from your phone, you can download it to your phone. The social media tiles are outstanding. I would really encourage you with these TikTok ones. TikTok is all the rage. If in the evening when you have time off and you're sitting there with the TV on, you're really not watching TV, you're flipping through TikTok. And imagine seeing your listing pop up on that TikTok feed. That would be cool. The other really neat thing about this is that marketing these pieces, you can't really search for a home on TikTok or on Facebook or on Instagram. These are more about marketing you as an agent to your clients, to other agents, to say, hey, you're out there, you are working hard, you are finding very cool, very unique ways to market you, to brand you, and to highlight your listings. And so I'm very excited about these TikTok templates. I think they look super sharp. I especially like this one because this is really about the agent. This is about you. And you've got this new listing, and you could do 4 or 5 of these. You get 5 listings in a month. You use this exact same template. Your face is always right there. You're branded huge, and then your new listing photos are right down here. I think there's a lot of potential here for the creative agent to be able to say, I'm out there, I'm working hard, and I am marketing my listings in a very cool and creative way. All of these are basically the exact same. As far as templates, you can change the wording, you can change the colors to match your brokerage, anything you would like to do. And the last of the 5 value pieces for the marketing kit are the site teaser videos, and they are right down here. So there's something that we need to discuss a little bit in that in order to get these videos, let me just play this guy for you. Imagine being on Instagram and your listing shows up just like this. A short little video that just pops through the hero shots of your listing. Now you can leave all of the photos there, including that dead pantry, the bathrooms, the laundry room there that nobody really wants to see. But what I would recommend is highlighting 4 or 5 or 6 photos of your listing. Make it short. People are going to look at it. They're going to say, oh, that's cool. Look who's doing this. And then after a while, 4 or 5 or 6 photos, they're going to get tired and they're going to flip past it. If you don't do that on Instagram, you will be soon. in order to do that, what you need to do, it's a little bit of work. You need to log into your account. You need to access your account from the email that I sent you about this listing. And you access your account. Now, if you can't access your account, your password's not working or something of that nature, just text me and I can send you a password reset link. When you get on that password reset, or when you log in, you're going to see this page again in the Site Media tab. Now, what this tab allows you to do is not necessarily download these photos, but it allows you to, again, highlight one with a star, say I want that one to be the lead, and it also allows you to unselect some. Now, when you're creating a video, it'll create a video of everything that's not dithered out or unselected. So I don't want any of these guys to display. I'm going to click that little eyeball and they're going to become dithered. And I don't want this one to display. I don't want this one to display. And I don't want any of these to display. I'm going to click that little eyeball. Now my Instagram video is only going to show these 6. So in order to do that, you'd go back to the marketing kit and rebuild the site video. Clicking this, it'll take it some time to refresh. And once it refreshes, then you can go to edit. You see how the 1234 Washington Street is displayed there? You can go to edit and you can change it to, best realtor in the world, here, or the address. If something's, you can put your name in the address line underneath it, the actual address here. I would definitely make sure this is clicked. You don't want, Pierce Pixels dot, 12345 / your address showing up on the top. Click on this guy, leave the rest. There's some other options here, photos and videos. We're probably only gonna have photos. Save those updates and then download the MP4. I would do this process of selecting these 5 photos and deselecting all the rest, and then doing the video from your phone. The nice thing about Instagram is recently, I think in the last year or two, they have allowed people to upload to Instagram from their workstation, not just their phone. But honestly, I'm not a big Instagram person. My business is built almost completely on referrals from great agents like you. And so I don't do a lot of posting on Instagram. I probably should do more myself. That's why I'm making this video, to give you a tool to help you market your listings. But anyway, so do this process either on your workstation or your phone. Hopefully from your workstation, it's just as easy and convenient. And then you will find this site teasing video to be very cool. And the same if you want the branded video. You would just rebuild it with the 5 photos that you've selected and then see it on YouTube. Here's your embedded code, and you'll have to do some work to play with these things. Once you get your video made, make sure to go back through and reselect all these photos so they all still show up. You can just click over here on the side, just highlight these guys red and scroll down and unselect that eyeball, and there they all are. And click all those guys, eyeball, there they all are. Now they're live again. Your property owner can see them again. The whole world can see them again. And if they're highlighted like this, then they're completely viewable to the public. Well, there you have it. Those are the 5 pieces that help make the marketing kit an extremely valuable resource for you as you market your next listing. This is my website, piercepixels.com. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to call me or text me. You can book your next listing with me right here on the website. You can see all of my pricing that is available. I am now offering Matterport that is also available. I'm offering virtual staging. I'm doing videos. I'm doing all I can to become a one-stop shop for you to make you look good as a part of your marketing team. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you at your next listing.